In Tennessee, where addiction and homelessness cast long shadows, the need for a place of refuge was undeniable. By January 2023, more than 9,200 people were homeless, many of them women and children. The Nashville Rescue Mission recognized the urgency and envisioned a new women and children's campus, a sanctuary where people could rebuild their lives. M&W Logistics Group shared this vision. This project required careful coordination, dedication, and heart, and M&W stepped in as the ideal partner. For M&W, it was about more than constructing a building. It was about creating a future for the women and children who would soon find refuge there. In January 2024, the 100-bed Women and Children's Campus officially opened its doors, serving as a beacon of hope. M&W had played a key role. In a state battling addiction and homelessness, M&W delivered a lifeline on time and with purpose. For this, they are a proud recipient of the 2024 Transport Topics Trucking Frontline Heroes Award.